This is my new Instant Pot Duo Crisp Ultimate Lid Multicooker with 13 functions. A true find. It is extremely easy to use, and cleaning it is a breeze. It features a stainless steel pot and a non-stick air frying basket. Both are dishwasher safe. The Instant Pot has a protective shield that is placed according to the cooking method. It is divided into 2 cooking types, pressure cooking and air frying. You don't even need to remember when to switch, as the display alerts you if you've missed a step. Pressure cooking is so simple. Just choose the program and the release method, natural, pulse, or quick release. When sautéing, I can see the temperature and time on the display, and both can be adjusted. I used to struggle with food sticking in stainless steel pots, but this device has solved that issue. It notifies me once preheated, so sticking is kept to a minimum. At the back is the water container, used mainly after pressure cooking, which is very easy to remove and clean. The Instant Pot doesn't take up much space and is very quiet during operation. The button and alert sounds are discreet and not annoying at all. Look at this pork chop. It has a perfect crust, yet it's so juicy inside. And honestly, the best part is that cooking with this appliance generates so much less odor compared to other multi-cookers I've used. The only thing that could be improved is adding an off button instead of unplugging it. I've tried several multi-cookers, but this Instant Pot Duo Crisp Ultimate Lid is definitely a winner.